According to GM, the next generation 2026 Chevy Bolt will be the most affordable EV on the market. It will have a great styling, it will have a great range, really good charging time, it will use an LFP battery and Tesla North American charging standard. The upcoming Bolt will utilize GM advanced Ultium battery platform, replacing the previous generation voltage-based architecture. And the 2026 Chevy Bolt production is expected to resume in late 2025 with the XT4 and Bolt sharing the same assembly line.